Hi, and welcome back to If It's Not Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Today's video consists of a collaboration with Miss Crafty Kitty and Joan Brodie. And the rules were we had to design a bar cart in a Halloween theme, and we had to have the traditional colors of Halloween, which was purple, green, or orange. You had to include a skull, or a spider, or a bat. And you had to either have a drink or a treat. So let me start the video out and just to say that I thank you. This was an open collaboration, and without further ado, I'll explain how I did my setup. Now, I live in a small space under 1,000 square feet, so I have to make every inch count. So instead of having a bar cart, I use my TV stand as my bar cabinet, and this is normally how I set up when I'm having a little function to get together with some of the ladies, and they come over. And then I also utilize my craft table I set up for drinks and so forth. So we'll start with this section. This is all thrift. I have been buying this over the last couple weeks. This is all thrift glasses that I have purchased for under 49 cents. This is my inspired Pier 1 Bling champagne glasses. And then I have a little cocktail with Sprite soda and cranberry juice in my mixer. Okay, and then over here, I have some ladies that do not drink, and they come over and they'll have tea or coffee. So this is my also thrift find Lazy Susan that I made. And then I found these coffee cups, creamers, and then they have the napkins in the back. My little bowl that I got, and the saucers. So this is like my coffee station right here. And here are my little appetizer plates that the ladies will use when they're eating their little finger food. And I have the dollar store miniature forks, and then, you know, silverware from the dollar store. So we're going to move up here. And if you have not watched my video, these are part of my Halloween series, which are napkins with the dollar store napkin ring holder. I added bling and put the pumpkins on. Okay, my candle votive holders right here, these are from Ross that I picked up. This is one of my DIY pumpkins that I made, and the one in the back, this is my dollar store skull that I did just recently. And a dollar store sign. This is a hand that I repainted from the dollar store. I painted it silver, and then on the back is black. Spooky. And then we have a little spider crawling out. This is like my punch jar. When everybody gets here, I will fill it up with all the delicious ingredients. So that's what this is here for. These are my hurricane lamps that I thrifted at the dollar store. And then I have just a regular dollar store Halloween tall white candle inside. And my thrift champagne glasses that I blinged out, Pier 1 expired. And I have my dollar store ice bucket that I've also blinged out, and I have a bottle of champagne. And then these are my dollar store pumpkins. I've just added some little bling to them, as you can see. And this vase is also from the thrift store that I got. And then I did a little dollar store flowers, and along with the flowers I picked up a little spooky skeleton that lights up, and it changes different colors. Okay, and then I have my little spider web in the back. So I want to thank Miss Crafty Kitty and Miss Joan Brodie for the open collaboration of how to decorate your bar cart for Halloween. Did the straws. I'm going to look for your mixtures. These are for regular drinks and these are for taller drinks, because I have to put that just drink soda. So I have like all of that out. So if you have not subscribed to If It's Not Cheap, I'm Not Buying, please hit the subscribe button so you can come back and follow me, and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. And again, I'd like to thank Miss Joan Brodie and Miss Crafty Kitty for allowing me to do my first collaboration. And it was fun. I'm not really a Halloween person, but you know, I tried my best. I didn't really spend a whole lot of stuff that I have been collecting over the last few weeks. So stay blessed.